Betsey Johnson is my absolute favorite designer. I love everything that she does. I just think her stuff is so fun, so kitschy, so unique, so unusual, just like she is, just like I am. And that's why I love her stuff. I cannot believe this. This is so gorgeous. It just came in the mail, and I was like, I must wear this every second of the day. Let me just show you. I'm going to take it off. First, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just so excited to have it. It's just gorgeous. It is very big on my arm. I'm tiny. I am petite. I am 5 feet tall. I weigh 110 pounds, and I have the tiniest wrists. And I've yet to find a bracelet that isn't ginormous on me. And look, that is not going to stop me from wearing this. I just wanted you to know that in case you also have tiny wrists, that it's not going to fit great. And I'm wondering if there is a way we can make it fit better on tiny little arms. I guess I'll figure that out. But let me take this off and show you all the little pieces. I had to put my glasses on to better show you. First of all, her emblem here is a rolling pin. Yes, a little tiny miniature rolling pin. And then we've got little pink jewels on each end. And then we've got little pearls throughout. You can see little pearls everywhere. And this looks like what should be a ring. It's little strawberries. Isn't that gorgeous? And we've got the little ribbon here, and this one's kind of dangly. And then we've got a pie. How cute is that pie? And a blender right here. It's so fun. Oh my goodness. And then we've got, this is another strawberry pie. Isn't that pretty? And then a little oven mitt right there. And then we've got a croissant with little sparkly, what are those? Diamonds, jewels, crystals, I don't know what to call them. And then a little sugar canister. And then another strawberry pie in a different shape with different colored crystals. And then another ribbon in a different color. And some of the things are dangly and some of them are not, but it moves so much as you move. It's actually so, oh, and here's the back. It's gorgeous on the back too. It's actually so heavy. So if you like light jewelry, this is not for you. But if you don't care, I mean, this is just amazing. I'm almost speechless. That's hard for me to be speechless because this is what I do. I talk a lot. But this is just stunning. I love it. Can you even believe this? Wow. Oh goodness. This is one of those things where you are going to think, what? No, what? Why? No. And I'm going to tell you right now, just get this. You know you want it. Just get it. Just get it. You're going to love it. And it's going to be unique. Not everyone's going to have this. It's going to be a showstopper. It doesn't matter what you wear it with. You could wear it with any color. I'll wear it right now with this striped shirt. I don't care. Wear it every day of your life. Take it in the shower. Never take it off. I'm just saying. Just maybe.